Hey there guys! Are you looking to boost your masculinity naturally and achieve your peak performance? Look no further than this powerful combination of papaya, ginger, turmeric, and honey. In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into the science behind these 4 superfoods and how they can help you enhance your masculinity and improve testosterone levels and stamina. So if you're ready to take your masculinity to the next level, stick around and learn how to make this delicious and nutritious blend that will help you become the best version of yourself. To start with this remedy, you will need 1 medium-sized papaya. Peel the outer skin of the papaya off and gently remove all the seeds from the papaya.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my
Slice the papaya into pieces and transfer your sliced papaya onto a plate.
oh. But I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind.
Take about 30 grams of ginger, make sure it's well cleaned, and chop it into smaller pieces. Pour the sliced papaya into a blender together with the chopped ginger.
You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you
Add about a half cup of water to it and blend until a smooth consistency is achieved.
whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
Pour the mixture into a container and add a teaspoon of turmeric to it.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh.
You then add 1 tablespoon of organic honey to the mixture and stir. And there you have it, your masculinity boost juice is ready. Drink 1 glass of this juice continuously for at least 14 days, and you will be amazed by the results.
You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe.
Baby,